Hi guys, so we are out and about today, another day of my photography journeys. So just to let you guys know, in a month's time I'll be out at US, around California and Los Angeles area for 2 weeks. So I'll be taking my camera with me, so please subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, if not today, we're exploring this place called the Pinnacle, which is at Duxton Hill. So we are at Duxton Hill today. So let's go. So we're up here at this rooftop. The view here is really amazing. But just to re-emphasize, you need to pay actually $6 to be able to come up here. But the view is so worth it. So I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos. Please like and subscribe to support me. I'll be carrying around my 60 to 35. Probably will be one of my permanent gears along with my RX100. So if not, I'll catch you on the next video.